Fall capsule wardrobe. Hi everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and to anyone that's new here, hello, my name is Christy. I'm a personal stylist that helps women rise to their highest and best selves through style. Now today we are going to be doing something that is so highly requested every single season on my channel, and that is how to create a capsule wardrobe. If you guys are new to my channel and you haven't seen these before, you're in for a treat. I'm going to show you how to maximize your closet. Even if you aren't a minimalist, this is a beautiful way to build the pieces in your closet so that you get the most abundance when it comes to your outfit possibilities. And if you are a minimalist, if you're looking to actually create a capsule wardrobe that is not all neutrals, because let's be honest, that gets really boring really fast, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Now, for a capsule wardrobe, to build one, because I find that this is where a lot of confusion comes in, you need to create what I call modules. Modules are sets of clothing that you can seamlessly mix and match, and that build and mix and match with one another to create, again, a larger capsule for you to use on a seasonal basis, on a yearly basis, however often you want. And again, this is something you can even use when you are shopping to create more outfit options and possibilities when it comes to your wardrobe. Now, to show you what a module is within a capsule, I'm going to show you guys some examples, and I'm going to show you a lot of the outfit possibilities that come with this. I'm about to do a lot of changing, so hold your horses, we're going to get there. So let me break down what a module is. Now, a module is when you take 3 tops. You can be any 3 tops, could be blouses, t-shirts, sweaters, you name it, whatever you prefer to mix and match in here. You're also going to take 2 bottoms. Now the bottoms can be a skirt, could be jeans, could be trousers, could be leggings, whatever you want to throw in there. And then you're also going to take 1 outer layer. So these 6 pieces will actually mix and match to create 12 outfit options in your closet, which is amazing. And you get that by mixing each top with each bottom. So that gives you 6 outfit options already. And then when you do that again with the outer layer, that gives you up to 12 outfit possibilities. Now, the real magic comes in when you create another module that also mixes with the very first one that you created. Now, I say that because when everything starts to mix and match together, and again, yes, this takes more strategic shopping, which I don't think is a bad thing, because you can get a better quality, a better bang for your buck when you're getting a little bit more strategic and buying less. But again, you're building and compounding the outfit possibilities that you have in your closet. So what happens when you take a module that mixes with the first one is that your outfit possibilities have gone from 12 up to 24 to 48 outfit options. And when you add a third module in, are you guys ready for this? So 18 clothing pieces, you will have taken your outfit possibilities from 72 up to 162 to 216 outfit options just from 18 clothing items. It's incredible, better bang for your buck. I promise you this will be a game changer in your closet. So many of you even say to me all the time, Christy, like, it's incredible how you are able to mix and match clothing that's just from your closet. This is why. This is how I built my closet for years and years and years. It's what I teach my clients to do as well. So let's see what one actually looks like. Now, one of the questions I get about modules all the time that you guys have asked me numerous times over and over again is, number 1, what do you do with dresses? Where do they fit into this module formula? And the answer is they don't. Dresses are a one and done, wham bam, thank you ma'am situation. You can accessorize them, you can layer with them using the layers that you will have, the outer layer piece in your module that we talked about. So the outer layers could be jackets, cardigans, blazers, like you name it. But again, dresses are kind of a one and done, so they stand alone from this. Doesn't mean that you can't include them in your capsule, but when you're thinking about the formula itself, we're talking about individual separate items that you want to use. And then of course, the other thing to consider is you want accessories and shoes that all mix and match with these beautiful things. So again, you can get really, really intentional about the things that you're having in your closet, but this will give you so much wear and tear out of the pieces that you have, which is brilliant. And again, way better bang for your buck. So if you're buying less, you can actually invest in a better quality in the long run, and it's a win-win overall. Now, while I'm not dealing with the full 3 modules for the 216 outfits that I showed you guys, I have a few less pieces. So I've got 2 full modules here behind me already that you've seen. However, I'm going to make a few additions just because we are in the Canadian climate and I need some extra layers just because I like to be a little bit more snuggly, and I like the option that the 3rd layer provides. So my adjustment to this, and you guys can feel welcome to do this too, is I'm going to also add 1 cardigan into the mix. I like a longer option. So I'm gonna add this in here, and I'm gonna add one other extra layer, an easy denim jacket. I think probably most of you have in your wardrobe. And then the last, because you guys know I like color, I'm adding a simple striped sweater into the mix. So this is my full capsule, and this will provide you well over 100 outfits. I'm not going to try that many on, but we're going to see how all of this shakes up and how many outfit possibilities you can have with color in a capsule or module as you build your closet. And if any of you want any help with your wardrobe, if you want to know what wardrobe basics are, you aren't really sure, I'm going to leave the link for my website down below. If you sign up for my VIP list, you will get a free wardrobe basics checklist for you guys to check out, and you can kind of tick off where you might have some gaps in your closet. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit the little red subscribe button down below. And other than that, I'm sending you all the love to the moon and back, and I'll catch you again in the next video. Bye guys.